Hi, I'm Doc Steve Martin from Agility Guides. In this final video, we're going to talk about what you might expect after data collection in your assessments so you can make some targeted action plans. Now, once the data are collected, we're going to focus on two key steps. First, analyzing the data and creating the report, and second, presenting the results. Now, for analysis, I first review the survey data to identify any key trends. I look for high and low responses and compare data from different groups. For example, to see if there are statistically significant differences on a particular topic, such as individual contributors might have low confidence in their annual goals, while executives have high confidence. Now, for most cases, I usually use the Stats Pack add-on in Excel for the statistical analysis. We want to make sure that we're doing a statistical analysis here, not just looking at simple averages. Next, I analyze the interview data, looking for themes that align or just flat out disagree with the survey results. And with the analysis done, the report is created. It should contain both the survey and interview findings, confirming any known issues or uncovering any new ones that might be a little bit uncomfortable. All right, step number 2, which is presenting the results. I highly recommend a workshop format. Now, I'm not a fan of just presenting a slide deck. It's boring, not usually focused on action, and it removes any ownership of the results. So instead, have a workshop and have some discussions around each theme, like confidence in business plans, and explore some potential next steps with all the participants in the room at the same time. While this can be a little bit longer, around 4 to 8 hours, you're going to have much greater appreciation for the results, much greater buy-in, and more importantly, much greater ownership of the next action steps. So, with your report and actions in your hands, you are ready to take your next actions on some very targeted areas versus just making a guess. All right, so good luck. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and thanks for watching.